Hi folks, welcome back live stream ReactConf 2025 Day 2. I'm here with Mike Grabowski, CTO and founder of Callstack.
Hello.
Hey Mike, how you doing?
Great, thanks for having me here.
Yeah, thank you for being here and answering the questions from our live from our live audience. And let's get started, okay?
Let's go.
Cool. How lightweight is React Native Brownfield? Does it significantly increase bundle size?
That's a very good question because you won't believe me, but I have never actually profiled the actual bundle size impact of the Brownfield library itself, but I wouldn't call it significant just because it is mostly a couple of native files that I would treat as helpers and utilities. So generally speaking, considering the whole React Native and all the native modules you're adding to your application, that shouldn't feel like anything significant.
Okay. What kind of migration path do you hope teams take? Start small, one screen, or feature islands? Do you have any recommendations?
Typically where we see most people success stories is around starting with a single screen and then gradually moving outside. I mean, that really depends on your organization, how you set yourself KPIs.
Right.
But it's either a screen or a feature island, depending on that migration.
Okay, cool. And speaking of migration and success stories, are there any Brownfield success stories you can share with us?
Yeah, there is a lot. I mean, unfortunately, there's quite a few NDAs I've signed over time. However, we've seen during the keynote in the morning, we've seen Zalando and HelloFresh being showcased for their Brownfield stories. And React Native Brownfield is pretty much, there is a picture of Brownfield library in one of the articles, so that one is easy to figure out. But one thing to keep in mind is that React Native Brownfield itself is not it's not just a library, it's more of an approach. You can really do it without using our library. It's more about how you package it. So I would say, if you look at those two articles, they pretty much capture React Native Brownfield, and I would think of these two as success story.
Okay, wonderful. And how does the final state of apps using Brownfield look like? Is it more of a hybrid approach, or do they fully transfer to React Native over time?
Also, very good question. I think often a misconception is that you have to finish at a greenfield stage, so you have to finish the rewrite. Where we see a lot of companies being successful is starting the migration, doing only the things that are necessary. Sometimes they end up being greenfield for the foreseeable future. So I would say when you start using React Native inside your mobile app, do not aim necessarily for phasing out all of your native screens. If you end up staying somewhere in between, that's perfectly fine.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thank you for sharing those insights on migration.
No worries.
And two final questions for you. What's your favorite React feature of all times?
Honestly, I love hooks.
Okay, wow.
I like hooks. I like how they, initially when I was switching from classes, they made me change my mental model, and I learned a lot while I was shifting from classes to function components.
Yeah. Okay. And what's a thing about you that doesn't come up in normal conversation?
So see, here is the thing. Every time I go to a conference, I try to be very low-key about everything I do outside.
Okay.
I mostly focus on code, and I'm always fully locked in.
Okay.
But my passion is cars. I love driving. I love racing. And thing to know about me is that I have full sleeve tattoo here.
Whoa.
And it's my first car, BMW. I have it tattooed all the pieces on my arm.
Really?
I cannot show it right here, but maybe when we meet the other day, you'll see it right here.
Wow.
Part of the suspension is right here.
Cool.
So it's like this little passion of mine.
Really passionate.
Yeah.
Cool. I never realized you had a full sleeve.
There
That's
you
really
go.
cool. Thank
Was
you so
supposed
much.
to be a mystery, so I didn't really answer the question. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you so much, Mike, for
Thank
joining
you for
us
having
today.
me.
And folks, stay tuned. We're going to have more interviews coming up.